Hello learners, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about a complete roadmap for learning artificial intelligence. Yes, each and every step and the topics that you have to study if you want to study complete artificial intelligence. Before this, just start with what is artificial intelligence. We humans are born with brain, and with time, with the experience and learning, we develop the process of decision making, thinking, and this is called intelligence. And this is natural intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Now you got the point. Artificial intelligence means making machines intelligent, giving machines the capabilities of thinking and taking decisions. And how we do that? We make machine also learn the way we used to do it. We give machine a lot of data in form of images, videos, numbers, and we ask machine to find patterns and learn. Once the machine learns and get a pattern and algorithm to get the answers, then we give the new data and ask machine to now predict. This is nothing but a intelligence that machine develops. This is artificial intelligence. In our day-to-day life also, where we come across this artificial intelligence, this is your Google search. Whenever you search on Google any product or anything, similar recommendations used to come. This is all because of artificial intelligence or machine learning. The voice assistant that you have at home, Alexa, what happened there is, it is an example of natural language processing, which is a part of artificial intelligence. Your language is understood by the machine. And you must have seen in the Google search. Now the people, those cannot write anything or type, they are very well now giving the mic, through the mic, giving their input, asking for the searches, and the Google is replying the answers, giving the suggestions. This is one of the example. Like this, there are many examples. Many times you must have seen some of your emails are in spam folder. Why and how is this happening? This is also an example of artificial intelligence. Whenever you get a mail, that time using the algorithm, the checking the content of your mail, it is being checked. There are some points given. According to that, a mail may go in your inbox or in a spam. So these are the things happen. Check how banks save you. Suppose you are not a person who regularly buy anything on online, and suddenly bank gets that you have spent 1 lakh rupee on one product, which is not your regular habit. That this is the situation. So like this, actually banks are also trying their level best to implement artificial intelligence to save their customers from fraud. So coming over to the technical competencies you need for becoming an artificial intelligence professional. That is, you need to know first is programming languages, then statistical knowledge, machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, deep learning and neural networks, cloud basics for deployment, and big data technology also. So these are all the, you can say, modules that you have to study to become an artificial intelligence professional. And job roles can be data science, AI engineer, or you can be a robotics engineer. Now coming over to programming languages. Python is said to be the best language for artificial intelligence or machine learning especially. So Python you should know. R language is also good for machine learning purpose. Also you should have the knowledge of C, C++ and Java. So these are the languages that you have to study. And from Python you need to learn the libraries which are NumPy, Pandas, Keras, Matplotlib, sklearn, PyTorch, TensorFlow, OpenCV. These are all the good libraries that can help you achieve the tasks that you want to do in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So mathematics or statistics that you need to require. For machine learning, you need to learn the algorithm, and algorithms are all mathematic based. So because these are formulas. So what you have to learn in this particular module, that is statistics, probability, linear algebra and calculus, the four things. And from statistics, descriptive statistics, where you have to learn the measure of central tendency, mean median mode, or the differential statistics, associative statistics. These are all the things you have to learn. Okay. Coming to machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are the part of artificial intelligence, or we can say machine learning and deep learning are the subset of artificial intelligence. They are the ways to achieve artificial intelligence. Now how? Take example, I have an exam tomorrow. I got a book. From that book I am asked to study. Now that book has got the chapters, that book has got the question and answers. I started with the question and answers. There are some questions and their answers. So for one question there is an answer. With this learning, I developed a knowledge. And with that knowledge, if tomorrow in the exam, similar concept question is being asked to me, I will be able to answer. That means that was my deep learning, where I used a question and answer and I developed a knowledge. I became a machine. Now this machine is capable enough for giving the answer to any new question also. This is a machine. And now I have developed my intelligence. So this is there. We give data, and through the data we let machines learn the patterns, and after that machine are capable of giving the output for the input which is not in that data set. And this way we let the machine develop their artificial intelligence. So the machine learning algorithm that you should cover if you are learning a machine, that is linear and polynomial regression, support vector machine, decision tree, random forest, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbor, k-mean clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis. These are the must algorithm you have to do. The deep learning use artificial neural network to perform sophisticated computation on large amount of data. So in deep learning and neural networks, we study the CNN, RNN. So these are the algorithm, the basic to algorithm you should know. So deployment. What is actually deployment? Deployment means uploading your model on cloud platform. Or in simple words, making your model available to the user through internet. You created a model on your system and it is predicting the things well. It's working well. Now what is the use if you are not able to distribute it to the people for the use? So if you want to do this, what you can do is you can rent a space in the cloud and you can upload your model on the cloud and circulate it. And how you can do this? Using the frameworks. So there are frameworks of Python, Flask. Flask is a framework of Python through which you can deploy your model on cloud. Then what type of a cloud services are there? You can use Google Cloud, you can use AWS, Azure, Heroku. These are all the platforms that you can use and deploy your model on that. So this is also we are going to cover. So this was the complete roadmap of artificial intelligence. Thank you. And in the next video, we are going to discuss what is machine learning in depth.